Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to unveil to you today a new superhero who is dedicated to advocating for persons with disabilities in the state of Meghalaya. This hero is not only a symbol of strength and courage, but also a beacon of hope for those who face daily challenges due to their disabilities. With the power of social media, this hero will be able to spread awareness and education about the issues facing persons with disabilities in Meghalaya. Through engaging posts, videos, and interactive content, this hero will inspire and empower others to make a difference in the lives of those with disabilities. This superhero is not just any ordinary hero. They have a deep understanding of the struggles faced by persons with disabilities in Meghalaya, and they will use their platform to amplify their voices and to ensure that their stories are heard. With the support of this new superhero, we can create a more inclusive and accessible society for all. Together, we can break down barriers, challenge stereotypes, and promote a culture of acceptance and understanding. So, I urge you all to join me in welcoming this new superhero to our community. Let us support their mission to advocate for persons with disabilities in Meghalaya, and let us work together to create a brighter and more inclusive future for all. Thank you.